Jai Hind cadets, myself DR Sonone. Today we are going to see the new concept which is related with the NDA JEE NEET examination, that is VIO. So today we are going to see the concept of VIO, types of VIO, and especially today we are going to see the mechanical VIOs and their types, right? So what is VIO first of all? VIO is nothing but the vibration of particle. If we consider any medium, then if there is a vibration in that medium, in the particle, that consists of a wave. For example, light is traveling its distance by the nature of wave, and that light is also known as electromagnetic wave. Again, the sound is the best example of wave. Sound is traveling in the form of wave. So which type of wave that is, we are going to see in today's lecture. Okay, so here wave is what? Wave is nothing but the vibration of particles. Vibration of particle. So if we are going to see the specifically the mechanical wave, that mechanical wave is nothing but the wave which required material medium to travel. Mechanical wave means what? The wave which required material medium to travel, like sound wave. Sound wave is example of mechanical wave. If we are having material medium, then and then can sound travel. Otherwise, if we consider a vacuum, their sound cannot travel. But light can travel there. Means light is non-mechanical wave. This is very basic concept. So in types of wave, the types of wave on the basis of medium, we can write it as a mechanical wave, and second one is a non-mechanical wave. Mechanical wave means that wave which required material medium to travel. Which required material medium, but non-mechanical waves are that wave which do not require material medium. These are the two waves on the basis of what? Medium. One required material medium and non-mechanical wave, that is do not require material medium. But if we consider the wave on the basis of traveling of the particle and the direction of wave, then there are two types which are very important for NDA examination, that are on the basis of, we can say on the basis of vibration of particle. First one is what? First type is longitudinal wave. And second type is a transverse wave. There are many questions asked on this point, that is longitudinal wave and transverse wave. So simply study longitudinal wave and transverse wave. Their meaning itself in their name, longitudinal and transverse. So what is longitudinal wave? First of all, longitudinal wave are that wave if we consider the vibration of particle is in the direction of propagation of wave. In the direction of wave, we can write here, means propagation of wave. The example is that we can write here example of longitudinal wave. Here if we consider the sound wave consists of, we can say, compression, rarefaction. The particle itself moving forward to give its energy to the another particle, means particle are also moving in a forward direction, and wave is traveling in a same direction. Means if vibration of particle and the direction of propagation of wave is in the same direction, that time that wave is known as longitudinal wave. An example of that wave is nothing but the sound wave. Right? And second type of wave, that is a transverse wave. Transverse, it means we can say there is a concept of perpendicular or something mathematically. So transverse wave is what? Transverse wave is that wave if vibration of particle are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. Simply we can write here as a direction of wave. This is a transverse wave. If we see the example of transverse wave here, transverse wave, like we can write here or draw here a wave that is electromagnetic wave, or we can say light wave, right? So here the wave is traveling in the term of crust and trough. Here we can see the particles are moving about its mean position. Particles are moving in a vertical direction, but the direction of propagation of wave is perpendicular to that. Means here are the vibration of particle, but wave is traveling in a forward direction. Means they both are perpendicular to each other. That's why we can say vibration of particle perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. Particle are moving like this and wave is going in this direction, in perpendicular direction. So this wave is nothing but the transverse wave. The example of that wave is nothing but the electromagnetic wave, or we can say light wave. Electromagnetic wave. So this is very important concept. There are very basic questions asked on this point. In next lecture, or we can say next video, we will see the example of transverse wave and longitudinal wave widely, and also some basic concepts related to the wave, right? So this is enough for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.